Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your Mac to the latest macOS. So let's get started right away. On the top left hand side of your screen you're going to see the Apple logo. Just go up there, click on it, and you're going to see the first option, well the second option, where it says System Preferences. Before we used to do all our updates under the App Store, however now they're under System Preferences, so that's where we're going to go. So here we have System Preferences. On the left hand side we're going to see Software Update. Let's just click right there. Once we see that, it's just going to upload this right now, and this is the latest one. We can click on View More right here, and it's going to tell us just a little bit more about it. And yes, all software updates for your Mac will require a restart, so it will turn off and back on. Now before we install this, although this is 2.17 gigs, it might take about 30 minutes for you guys. So whether you guys have a MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Pro, Mac Mini, this is the same update for everybody. And before I go on and install this, I just want to show you one thing that you should do before you do any update. And that's just to back up your entire Mac. Now the way I do it, and you should too, is using Time Machine. So Time Machine, I have it up here. I can back up now. However, I already backed it up yesterday. I'm okay with that. And I do have a whole separate video showing you guys how to use Time Machine with an external hard drive. Now we always do that just in case something goes wrong. And yes, Time Machine will actually back up everything within your Mac. However, let's go back here and click on Update Now. Once we click up Update Now, we should see this right here. Agree to it. And then it's just gonna begin the downloading process. Again, in total, we should see about 30 minutes. Yes, this could be shorter for some of you. It does depend on your internet speed. In my case, to download 2 gigs isn't that much, so it's gonna only take a couple minutes. But for others, it could take a lot longer. If you do want the downloading process to go faster, just hook up your iMac or MacBook Pro directly to your Ethernet router using Ethernet cable. Other than that, I am using Wi-Fi because I find that good enough as download speed for me. And I do also want to note that if you guys have a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or something like that that has a battery built in, just remember to hook it up to your main power source. Even if you guys are at, let's say, 80% battery life, then I would still plug it in, just in case to keep things safe. Because I'm not exactly sure how old your Mac is, so the battery might not be at 100% anymore. So it might drain a lot faster than a newer Mac. For those of you with an iMac, Mac Pro, Mac Mini, you don't really have to worry about that. Just worry about it not turning off for any other reason, or don't actually do any work in it while you're running an update. After it does finish, we will just see your Mac turning off and turning back on. You will also see an Apple logo and a loading bar. Again, set aside at least 30 minutes for this entire update, which does include the download and installation process. So after you see the Apple logo loading bar, it's just gonna restart, and then we're just gonna log back in. It's gonna tell you this: your Mac is up to date, and we're all done. At this point in time, just check your App Store if you guys have any updates. So I'm just gonna run my App Store right now, and I should have a couple updates. So those are just for Microsoft updates. But that would be about it for this particular video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.